friends, and welcome to the channel. So I'm gonna just let you guys know right now before somebody calls it out, because that's what people do. No, my neck and face do not match because I had to have a procedure done on my neck, so it's in the process of healing. So I can't put makeup or anything down there whatsoever. So mind your business, be nice in the comment section. Anyways, we are back with another Teemu haul, and this haul is more, I think, from what I can remember, more about like organization. So you guys know my love of the Temu app. Hello, I constantly am displaying things that I have found from Temu. Like, you guys know how much I love the Teemu Jewelry. So this right here, like, this was an individual one, but then from all the other types of wedding sets, I always am creating new little styles. This ring is from Temu as well. The Teemu Jewelry, you guys know I am all about. So I know I told you guys in a couple videos ago, I have put a bunch of the 925 jewelry in my cart, so I'm hoping to haul that very soon for you guys. Anyways, if you are new to the channel, hello. Welcome to the hot mess where we embrace it. This is in fact a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we love shopping on Temu. Not only because they have free returns for like 90 days, they also have free shipping and they do price adjustments. But if you check my link down below, you guys, there's special little dealios where you will find things for $1. They're having sales all the time over there. You just can't beat it. They have their lightning deals, and when you can find things for $1, yo, that's a better deal than the store that's $1.25. So go ahead, download the Temu app, check my link down below, go ahead and get on it because, ooh, we got deals today. Huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel, and I appreciate you guys so much. Those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel as well, thank you. And for each and every single one of you guys who are returning, who are commenting, who are sharing my videos on all of my channels over to Facebook, can I just say thank you so much. I appreciate you guys helping to support the channel by sharing the content over there on Facebook. That blanket back there, that Temu blanket, you guys, I'm telling you, my kids like darn near fight over the blanket. Like, yes, I know I've got a whole little shindig of blankets over here, but they find this one to be so pretty, and the fact it's uber crazy soft. That actually comes in multiple sizes too. As far as the size of that one, I think I have like the smallest, which is like the throw size. Now when it comes to Temu, I'm telling you guys, the app literally has everything. So first and foremost, organization. So this took inspiration from my 17-year-old. Okay, we are a house full of ADHDers. Okay, only me and my children. But let me just tell you, the struggle is real when it comes to organizing that pantry, organizing our refrigerator, and my 17-year-old is like, Mom, if you get organization things, like, we can make this fun and organize our kitchen. And I'm like, okay. So we're not really a pop drinking family, but I do love Zevia, which I'm not going to say that that's pop because it's not. It's like sparkling water. I got a set of like the pop dispenser, so my Zevia cans will totally fit in here. We don't have a huge refrigerator either. Like the space, like that was the one thing I noticed when I bought this house. Like the space where you put the refrigerator was not very large, which is fine. So I've got like a smaller side-by-side refrigerator. So our space is extremely, I feel like, limited in my opinion. But anyways, I got these because I thought maybe that would help things out, because I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of random. Like just you guys know what an ADHD brain is. Okay, that's what the refrigerator looks like. This is for Haley. This is for Haley. Okay, so Haley's getting married in May, and we're having her bridal shower and everything coming up. And I thought this would be so cute, whether she wears this at her bachelorette party or at the bridal shower. I had to do it. See, this is what I'm saying when I say Temu has everything. You guys, they have organization, they have decor, they have bridal things. Haley has picked out a lot of things for her wedding from Temu as well that they've gotten. Seasonal decor. You guys know I have these I have got the Easter one. Currently, the Valentine's Day one is hanging up. I also have one that says hello on it. These you could use outdoor, indoor decor, what have you. I love these. See, you can use them outdoor because this is like plastic and you don't have to worry. But I love these little seasonal things. They're so cute, they're affordable, and I haven't tried like Mod Podging this to help it be a little bit more like weather resistant. So if you guys have done that, let me know. But for the price, I think these are so cute. Like I said, it's better than going in store. You can shop from the inside your home and it just ships right to you in like 7 to 10 business days. Like, I flippin' love it. Picked out another one, which is perfect because I have one indoor and then I've got one that I'm gonna put on my door outside. For the price, you cannot beat these. So I will insert a picture of the one that I have indoor that says Happy Valentine's Day, and then like I said, this one is going to be going outside. But these are just so freaking cute, affordable, and if you're like a wreath maker, you could always like put this in the center of a wreath and then like build around it or something. But I love them. They're like a lightweight wooden board kind of thing. These are so cute. Okay, so this is a cutesy Happy Valentine's Day rug. You can put it wherever. So their rugs, I think I'll put this maybe in the kitchen or by the back door. But their rugs do have like this little thing on the back. It's not real grippy. We've not had an issue like slipping and sliding with the rugs or anything, but I'm just letting you know, like, you may want to put a grippy back there. I thought this was really cutesy. It came in different colors, different sizes as well that you could choose from, but it's really nice and soft. It almost feels like a velvet kind of feel. Can you guys tell? But for the price, they're so crazy affordable that it's always fun to get like different decor. So here's my thought. I do want to get, you know, when everybody went haywire over, and I was one of those people, the black and white rugs that go outside and then you can display another rug over top. Well, I need to still switch out like my holiday rug, but they have it in pink and white checkered. And then I thought this on top of it would be kind of cutesy. Sorry, I have visions. I have visions, I'm always thinking. Okay, so we always do a little shindig with the kiddos, and I thought this would be fun decor. If you guys do like holiday parties, holiday theme parties, like I used to be my kids' room mom, and they have a ton of holiday decor. So they've got the little Valentines, and they're like little different cards, and then you string it through, you can hang it up, and it even came with the little sticky dots to hang it up. But I thought like it would be fun to kind of hang there. And then I even had picked up little Valentine boxes to fill up. One of my children are home, so I have to shushy. But anyways, I just thought this was fun. And for the freaking price, let me just tell you, if you are a shop-arounder and you check other websites, just go ahead and download the Teemu app. Like I said, there's going to be dollar deals there, but these kind of decors are less expensive than any other websites that I have found. Like you cannot beat the deal. There was 2 little stringies here. I'm thinking about getting for Haley's for the bridal shower this like balloon decor thing, and I kind of want to get it, but I'm also like, man, that looks like a lot of work. You know what I mean? Like, it comes with all the balloons, and then you have to like set the whole thing up and all of that, and I'm like, I don't know if I have the patience for that, you know? That's the only thing. So if you guys have picked up the balloon decor, let me know down below. Ooh, it came with this little thing in this. Let me know, how hard is it? Because I've never put one of those things together, and I'm scared that I'm already a nervous person when it comes to like shindigs, like parties that are outside of just my children and my husband. So I'm like, I will be sweating profusely. Anyways, here is more of the little covers. How cute are those? I really love these, but these are really fun too. The Beat My Valentines, maybe I'll give these to Haley. But it's a set of 4. P.S. I love you, and it comes with different colors. How fun is that? And they're really nice. They have a little zipper. I always like wash mine on delicate, dry them on low, and I've never had an issue with them shrinking. They are so fun, and it's cute because my kids, especially my 17-year-old, always notices when I've changed it up a little bit. You can tell one of them have been back there with that blanket. I need to fix that blanket, but whatever. You guys, just in case you want options, you know? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I always say this to my family. Like, they'll say, I love you, and I'm like, I love you more, kind of thing, and we go back and forth. And look at the bottom of this. I mean, matter of fact, in my palette with Oprah, one of my shades is actually called Love You More, because it's like everything that my whole palette was built around names and things that I say to my family. Here's the first one. It's a set, once again, of 4. How cute is that? I had this theme sorta for Christmas in light pink, but see, so there's always like colors for everybody. No matter what your color story is, if you want to do pops of colors, what have you, they have it. So it's the same thing. And as far as the fabric goes, it's like a really light, I guess, canvasy kind of feel, or burlap. It's probably more burlap. So I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's like a thin, lightweight, and it's just accenty, you know? It's just for accent. It's really cute. Now I will say this one in the middle is sold all by itself. This one's really nice. It's like 3D embroidered. It's really fancy in my opinion. So that is just, you buy it single. Oh, I got these with Haley too. They're little bride earrings. These are so adorable. They're like almost like a beaded style. Aren't those cute? And they're not crazy heavy either. And then they've got like the backing on here where it's got like where it'll help it not like hang down kind of thing. Can I just show you guys? Look at that ring. That's from Temu, y'all. That's from Temu. Oh, my earrings are from Temu also. I have them in silver and in gold. I got more stuff for her. Bride-to-be sunglasses. How fun is that? I'm gonna just show up at the bridal shower with these little things and be like, here you go, doll yourself up. Like, that's so cute. These are so freaking cute. Okay, so this I got for under the sink. I currently already have some, but I need more space. So you don't technically have to put them under the sink. You could also put these like in your pantry type of dealio, but it's like a little stackable shelf. Like I've got these in my bathroom, my kids' bathroom. Like these things are flipping amazing, and they help to just organize and give you more space under the sink. They come in different colors. I think there was like white, black, there may have been brown, I don't remember, but I love these and they're super easy to put together. Next thing that I picked out, once again, is to kind of try and help organize, and it's the 6 Ziploc bag storage thing. I don't have a big drawer to put it in, but I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll put it together for my pantry, but it's really flipping nice. Like I wish I had more kitchen space than I do, but see, you can actually hang it up, and these things work really, really well. They're like sticky, and then they've got the hooks, so I may do that. Maybe hang it on the door. I don't know. Okay, let me show you guys. But see, it's got it labeled out. Quart sandwich snack, plastic foil, gallon bags, everything. And I mean, it's so nice. Like I also picked up the, what is it called? There's like I showed it a long time ago to hold like my knives and everything in my silverware drawer. But yeah, and then it's got like the little hooks back here too to hang it. So I may just hang it on the door or something. I'm not for sure. I'll figure it out. But see, and then you attach these, and then you can like slice the foil and the plastic and everything. Because like right now, the way I've got everything, and here's like screws, but the way I have everything right now in my pantry, it's just a hot mess. But like I said, we are a family darn near full of all ADHDers. So it's the whole out of sight, out of mind. So I'm trying to make it where it's more organized. The struggle's real. Okay, guys, the struggle's real. Next, I've got more organization dealios. So, you know, I'm just a real hopeful queen over here of getting my life really nice and organized. So, this, I'd have to double check. I forget what you can put in here, but it's a set of 2. You can stack them on there. You could do like cans. Let me know, what are you guys using for these? Because like I said, I'm really hopeful to get organized, get my life nice and organized. I mean, you could do canned goods. I don't know, all kinds of things. So here's hoping. You know, my 17-year-old said, Mom, if you pick out the stuff, I'll help you. Well, I'm picking it out, kiddo. So let's get organized. Okay, so in an effort to give myself more room, because right now I honestly I have no clue how my eggs even make it. So right now my eggs are in whatever carton they come in. Well, this is, again, in an effort to get more space in the refrigerator, since it's a small refrigerator. I picked this out. It's like a little drawer, and you can put your eggs in here, and it hooks to your shelf. It stretches out and kind of like a phone case type of dealio, so hopefully that'll fit. I mean, it should. And then you've got like an extra drawer for your refrigerator. Have you guys picked this stuff out? Let me know down below. So that is everything in today's Teemu haul that I have picked out. Thank you to Teemu for letting me pick these things out and working with me in today's video. We've got some really good finds, and you guys, I got more on the way. Don't you even worry about that. Like I said, definitely consider looking into their jewelry. You just can't go wrong. And let me know some of the organization things that you guys have been picking out. I think we got a good array of different things. We got home decor, we've got bridal shower decor, and then we've got organization. My least favorite thing that needs to happen. It really needs to happen. So anyways, y'all, definitely make sure to check my link down below for the dollar deals that they have going on. They have lightning deals going on all the time. And like I said, when it comes to downloading the app, you're getting things like free shipping, free returns, free price adjustments, and dollar deals. Better deals that you don't even have to get into your car, waste your gas, and go and hope that the $1.25 may have some better things, because they're not. I can tell you that right now. Mine, it's just better to go on the Temu app. So anyways, check my link down below. Everything that I showed you should be listed and linked down below. If by chance I missed something, don't worry about it. Leave me a little comment and I will do my best to get you guys a link. And I will try to remember to get links for these back here as well. Like I said, you just can't beat the price. You can constantly change these out, change up the look at a fraction of the cost. You guys know I constantly talk about Temu over here for good reason. So whether you are throwing a shindig, treating yourself, whatever it may be, download the app, check out the deals, and let me know what I should haul for the next one. Anyways, friends, check me out on my other channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, for curvy girl fashion hauls over there. I do a ton of Temu hauls over there. Temu, if you check out the app, they have fashion, home decor, they have camping supplies. You guys, I got life jackets last year. Yeah, life jackets. You just can't beat it. So anyways, I'm also on Hotmess in the House. And then Haley and I have a podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess. And then I'm on TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Here's to the good days. Here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop.